I'm Michael Turner with REMAX Capital Properties. I'm a real estate agent here in Cheyenne, Wyoming. And the reason why I chose Cheyenne is because this has always been home. I grew up here, been here for over 40 years. My parents live here, most of my family lives here. And it's always been a wonderful and welcoming community. Most of the time my wife and I, for fun, we play with our dogs and take them to the dog park. And we spend a lot of time with friends. We're lucky to have a lot of friends here in Cheyenne. We spend a lot of time at sporting events, mostly college football and baseball. And we also spend a lot of time with youth sports here in Cheyenne, coaching or watching our kids play. It's been a great place for our kids to grow up, and we look forward to being here for the foreseeable future.